Well, we're talking about personal injury cases because that's when an attorney steps in and helps you with it. And one of the ways an attorney helps you with it is by getting boots on the ground ASAP after the accident, or at least before the cars were destroyed, because all the cars, once they're totaled, they usually get crushed or scrapped or disappeared. They're gone. And once they're gone, we'll never know what the tires look like again. We'll never know if there was something faulty inside. So it's so important to get out there at the time of the accident or within 2 weeks after it to inspect the car, see what's going on. And one of the things people don't know is that there's a little black box in your car. Now, that's the same as in airplanes. We all know that they go try to find the little black box after a plane crashes to try to figure out what happened. Well, sometime after 2000, they started putting all of those in cars, and it's called EDR data. And what it does is it tracks how fast you're going. It tracks when you slammed on your brakes. It tracks everything from before the accident up to 10, 20, 30 seconds before the accident. And that data can get downloaded, and we know exactly how fast you were going. We know exactly when you slammed on the brakes, or if you didn't slam on the brakes. We know how loud your radio was. We know what station you were listening to. So we know everything that's going on with the car because cars these days are great big computers. And that's why it costs so much to get them fixed sometimes. So it's important to know that when you're driving, you can't just say, well, I was going 2 miles below the speed limit, because we'll know that you weren't going 2 miles below the speed limit. It's better to say, I don't remember, than to lie, even if maybe I don't remember is not the absolute truth. So EDR data is something that you want your attorney, if they're going to help you with your personal injury case, to get out and to find out what was going on.